Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. So this will lift off from our previous lectures. Now let's do a bit of cleaning up. We are on our body low poly mesh. If I press tab, you can see this is way open over here. So let's just fix that. Fairly easy, but tedious. Make sure that back face curling is turned on over here, and we can start. So I'm in edit mode. Press tab. If I click these two verts and press M, merge at the center, and then these two again, just click and drag, press M again, merge center. Just make sure that you're not selecting vertices on the inside. So again, merge the center, just going around at the center line where we see where it's opened, selecting that, merge center. Just be careful that you're only selecting the outside vertices. Doing the same process, pressing M. You can see, press image center. So, mesh center, and like this. So mesh center, like that. The same mesh center. Just doing the same process, selecting all these verts, just going around the center line, just joining everything. Sure you guys get the gist of this now. I'm moving very fast now because sorry about that. I selected the inner vert, so just be careful of that. Yeah, I can just click and drag the same my center. Just go around and see where it's open. Probably the easier way to do this. Mesh center just helps you to be more faster in modeling in Blender. Just getting the way around this. It's kind of tricky sometimes, but yes, it's very rewarding. So yeah, I have an issue. So I'll probably press 3, grab this face, and just look at what's going on here. Okay, press 1, select the vert, merge center, just press G just to look at that. Okay, we'll correct it later. Merge center, no, not you. Shift select, center, click and shift select. You can look at the shortcuts over here, guys. Again, just keep on reminding you if you say I'm moving too fast or you don't want to be repetitive, just repeating the same thing. Here am I just doing the same process, like so. Gonna do that. Selected the wrong one. Press M. Yep. Like so. This is very tedious, but just helps you to be more practice. Just fixing our base image here. Image center. Make sure you don't miss any of these guys. Oh no, I selected the wrong one. Zoom in. Merge center. Shift select. So these ones are overlapping. It's fine. Press 3 again. Same process. Press G. So move them outwards. Press 1. Select these two verts. Merge the center. We'll come back and fix this at the later stage. But for now, let's just continue with this. Shift M. Press M. just merging everything at the center here. You could probably avoid this when you're using the mirror modifier. Make sure your clipping distance is precise. So coming almost there. Hang in there. I know it's boring to see this. It's coming around like that, and then just push these. Click and shift select. Select the wrong one. Careful of that again. Like so. Click and drag, and select this guy, and like so. And yep, I'm just gonna set it like this. Coming on the other side now, body tail. We almost there, guys. So this is good. Just these two now. Okay. Zoom back out. Over here, we're gonna come back and just smooth this out. So not a problem. Select these guys, press M. Press M to merge. Click and shift select, press M to merge them at the center. Now just the back side. That, press M. And let me see, just looking around now. See where we left off. Oh yeah, on top now. Just over here. Press A, merge, center. This is almost done. Probably hide everything. Yeah, just select this blue thingy. Oh, now I can't see your wireframe. Same. So select everything. And just move it. Just zoom out. If you can't zoom properly, zoom a bit out. Okay, selected a few of them. So and this last two. The shifts. No, not G. Shift. And shift select this guy. Press image center. Not again. Every time I think I'm done, and there's probably like 10 of them just waiting for me. So this cleaning up is taking a bit of time, but it was just quick retopology again, guys. And this is too high poly, that's why. So we just wanted to preserve more details. That's why we used a lot of faces, but a strong recommended just to stay low poly as possible when you're doing manual retopology, because you have that control. But yeah, you'll probably just lose some details, and that's not ideal. So that's why we just now here I don't know what's going on. Press G to grab. Oh, this goes, yeah, I don't know. Do that. G. Like this guy, merge center. Merge center. And him. Merge center is push them. Press the mesh sensor, just going to create a triangle for now. There's G and mesh center. And like that. Like so. And if this wasn't so dense, we would just go to wireframe, press Z, and then just snap. We would just select the center faces. But yeah, I think they are at the center. But we'll do that at a later stage. Now everything is so dense. So we'll just come in from this side. Select these ones at the front, press M. Shift select, press M. Like that. And press him again. Just checking out around everything. If we still have those open edges, doubt we do. And I'm just gonna go to our sculpt mode, and then we're just gonna smooth that area. Those areas which need smoothing. Now I can't see them, so I'll go to wireframe. Open our wireframe mode. If you find any vertices that are pinching, like over here, F to decrease the brush size, and then push shift, just smooth that out to get a better topology. Now everything is looking smooth. Yeah, I'm just gonna smooth this side a bit. Just this section only. Looking pretty much good. So Control S to save, and again, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next class.